today I got another excellent recipe for you. Fish curry using hake fish. So easy to do, guys. And just stay with me till the end and I'll show you how it's done. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Whole coriander seeds. Salt to taste. I'm using 1 teaspoon. 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. So I'm going to give this a mix now, inshallah. Bismillah. So you got a nice paste, all the herbs and spices are blended in with each other. Until you got the paste like this, and then we'll add the fish. You have to be careful because fish is quite tender, so you probably break it. You don't want to break it. Just slowly add the fish in and just cover it with this mixture. I've coated the fish with the mixture. I'm just going to add some 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic, finely chopped, and give that a mix in there as well. Okay guys, so it's been coated with that mixture, and I've added garlic and ginger on top as well. Give it a good mix, and I'm going to let this marinate now for about an hour, at least an hour. Okay guys, now I'm going to start cooking it, inshallah. So you're going to need just over half a cup of oil. Bismillah. And I'm going to add 2 medium onions, chopped onions. Bismillah. And when they start going a slight goldy brown, add 2 medium tomatoes. And carry on cooking them until the onions go slightly more brown, and then the tomatoes will be ready as well. They'll go nice and soft. Once the onions are gone a nice goldy brown and the tomatoes are gone nice and soft, I'm going to take them out, put them to the side, let them cool down, and chop them up, blend them down. Okay guys, this has been marinating for over 2 hours now, so we're going to start cooking it now, inshallah. And I'm going to cook it in the same oil that I cooked the onions in. Bismillah. Okay guys, when you got them all in to the pan, in the cooking oil, and let them cook for a couple of minutes, and then just turn them over gently. They've only been cooking for a couple of minutes, so you need to turn them over, because they'll start cooking from one side and the other side will stay on. So once you turn them all over, just let them cook on the other opposite side for a couple of minutes. Okay guys, so once they start cooking on the other side, once you've turned them over, let them cook for a couple of minutes and then start turning them over again. Once you got them all tossed over, let them cook for a couple of minutes. This is on medium heat. You don't need it on high heat, just keep it on medium heat. I've been cooking these on a medium heat and I've been turning them every couple of minutes. So I'm going to turn it to low heat and I'm going to add the onions and tomatoes. These are the onions and tomatoes I cooked at the start, and I've chopped them up in the blender, and I'm going to add them onto it on top. Bismillah. Bismillah. Just turn them all so that tomato and the onion mixture mixes in well with it as well. Just turn every piece over now. Oh, that smells beautiful, that looks beautiful, mashallah. And I've turned it back onto medium heat and let it cook for a bit. So I'm going to turn it to low heat and let it cook for a bit more. Okay, I've been turning these and I've been cooking them for about 5 minutes. I've been turning them every so often, every couple of minutes. I'm going to add 1 cup of water to it now. After adding the water, I'm just going to give it a shake so everything just evens out. I'm not going to use a spoon now to stir them. And then I'm going to turn it to low heat, cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes. But I'm not going to stir it now. Okay guys, it's been simmering away for about 5-6 minutes now, so I'm just going to check it. Bismillah. MashaAllah, that looks beautiful and it smells awesome, that does. Bismillah. Just going to give it a bit of a shake. I didn't use a spoon at all after putting the water in. I'm just going to sprinkle some garam masala over it. Bismillah. Just evenly spread it, just a couple of pinches. And a couple of pinches of chaat masala. I'm going to sprinkle some coriander leaves and green chili, fresh green chili, about 1 chili there, chopped fine. Sprinkle that over it. And now I'm going to turn it off. And I'll take it out and I'll show you. So I'm going to take the chunks of fish out first. Bismillah. Gently, yeah. Mashallah guys, the fish curry is ready. I'm just going to sprinkle some coriander on top as usual. Look at that. And the fish is in one piece. They ain't all mushed up. Look at they in chunks. That's how you want to serve it to your guests, even to yourselves really. It's beautiful curry. And fish you should have once a week. At least once a week anyway. It's got many health benefits. Okay guys, so I hope you have a go. And just be careful when eating the fish curry because he has needle type bones. Until next time, inshallah, assalamu alaikum.